Hi there, it's Rob from Top Affiliate Marketing Program. Today I would like to talk to you about how to make money selling makeup online, how you can build your own online business. There are many different types of makeups and brands. How much do you use? What brands do you buy? You spend a lot of money on makeup, I'm sure. Well, now you can make money by selling makeup and representing online companies, promoting their line of makeup as well. And I will reveal how to do that. Makeup is an evergreen niche, which means it'll always be around. Even during tough times, women will wear makeup. So it's not a niche that'll ever lose interest and disappear. People are always searching for what they love online, and makeup, cosmetics, skincare products are always in search of. So let your love for makeup be your guide to building your website and making money with makeup affiliate links inserted into your articles. This happens, of course, once you build your own website, and you can take your passion for makeup and turn it into a full-time income and business. You can check this out right here. It starts with a website and affiliate programs and different ways to sell makeup products online. You can build an entire website around the makeup products niche. You'll never run out of topics to write about and promote. Makeup is beautiful. It makes you feel awesome, and you can definitely make money with makeup. So once you start your online business, you can branch out into other profitable areas. So let's talk about how we can make money selling makeup. So the first thing we have to do is determine if there truly is a market for the makeup industry. Now, I'm sure that we all believe that's true. Everywhere you go in the stores, you're going to find makeup, and online for that matter. So we're going to search on Google for makeup and see what comes up. So let's see. Let's begin. What are people looking for when it comes to makeup? Well, let's just see. We want to find out if the makeup market is viable. So we're going to check these three different avenues. So we're going to have to use a keyword tool, which in this case is Jaaxy, which is the best keyword tool available. Now we're going to type in makeup and look what comes up. 166,195 searches a month just for the term makeup. And there are other different kinds of makeup for different occasions and holidays. So that's a huge number. Let's go on to the next one. We're going to try cosmetics now. Cosmetics, almost 10,000. Not searched for as much as makeup, but it's a little bit more specific. Still an excellent number. And the last one I want to try is skincare. Skincare is 14,000 a month searches for just the term skincare. Forget about all the other terms that, come underneath that and are in addition to that. So the Jaaxy keyword tool, I will explain to you a little bit later, but there's a wide variety of things on your website about makeup that you can sell. You can sell eye makeup, mascara, bronzer, concealer, eyebrow pencils. The list is endless. These are just a few. So I wanted to do a Google search trends with these three keywords. So here I looked up makeup for you, and as you can see, it does have its peaks throughout the year. Christmas, different holidays possibly. Cosmetics, same thing. Maybe not the same times, but it does have its peaks. And of course, skincare. Skincare is more or less kind of more even than the other two terms. But there is an interest in a niche, obviously, between makeup, cosmetics, and skincare products. And of course, you can write about so many different sub niches in the makeup industry. So what is our niche? Well, there's an endless possibilities when it comes to makeup. You can make your entire website just about makeup in general, or you can dig down deeper and cover more specific areas of the makeup niche. So there's ways to go about that. But let's see what types of makeup there are. There's just a short list. Eye makeup, concealer, eyebrow pencils, rouge or blush, mascara, face primer, face powder, contour powder, lip gloss, lip liner, pencil, eyeliner, eyeshadows, the list just goes on. That's just a short list. So what you want to do is you want to provide the information where you zero in on exactly what the buyer is looking for. You want to get into their heads so you can provide the correct information so that it's not too widespread. You want to have your buyers trust in knowing that you are the expert. So if you're going to promote makeup, you want to be an expert and you want to have a passion about it. You're going to build a website, okay, that's going to help people solve their problems. So, two things you want to keep in mind here. Can you actually help people who are searching for these problems in the first place? And can you provide the answers? Like I just said, you chose this particular topic for one or two reasons or both. You love it, you're passionate about it, both. If you're not, I wouldn't waste my time. And you want to write content, obviously, but quality content. That's king here. Because if you don't, people are going to see right through you. If you want to, you can click here if you'd like to search some keywords of your own. And this will give you some numbers to give you some ideas. So what's the problem that's being solved? In this case, it's makeup. Okay, what are people looking for? Well, you have to know what they're looking for. Sometimes, because here's an example. One choice may be someone looking for specific makeup, such as eye makeup, and they might need your help in purchasing this. Sometimes they don't need your help, but you have to be there for them if they do need help. Another is, for instance, maybe rouge or specific skincare problem, and you want to help guide them in the right direction. You want to give them the best product solutions. Well, in other words, like which are the best women's mascara around, and give them the answers and help them choose their selection. You may be promoting lip gloss. It's your job to show them which lip glosses that you have for them to purchase. So those are a couple of examples. And I just wanted to, this tip for the day, I don't want you to attempt to find and present each and every possible problem in the makeup niche, because it's not going to happen. It isn't necessary, and as time goes on, as you build your site, there will be additional problems that will arise, and you'll have to provide solutions for those. So don't try everything at once. Follow the template and stick to it. Now, how to help your audience take out their credit cards. So it's a two-step process, very simple. Number one, what the buyer is looking for to solve their problem. Number two, provide the solution to that problem. That's it. That's what you must do. And you have to get good at it. So how is your specific audience behavior geared toward purchasing online? This is what you have to be adamant about. Finding out exactly what they're looking for. Obviously, for makeup products, people are looking for products in makeup, and there are a lot of different ones. Obviously, the majority of women wear makeup. So they're going to be people looking to solve their problems and make life easier, and that's your job to help them do that. So we've determined that the makeup niche is a viable one. That we know. So you have to always write material to solve their problems. So getting a little bit more specific, how many different makeup programs are there? Well, I don't even get into it because there's just so many of them. That's up to you what you want to promote, which programs you want to promote. Don't let people arrive at your site and then leave because they couldn't find what they were looking for. You want to make sure that you provide the solution to the problem that they're having. Like I just said, I'm not going to repeat this here, but you're doing selling without touching online because you can't actually feel the actual product. So it's crucial for you to cover the information about the product so you can put the buyer's mind at ease. You have to cover the intangibles, so you must do a flawless job to make up for it. Look out into your audience. Gear toward your buyer and not your product. This is very important. You build a business. I'm sorry, you don't build a business. You build people, and then people build the business. And that's the golden rule here. So you're going to need a website to promote these affiliate programs. You can start here, follow my simple 4-step formula on profit from your own website, and you can click here to get started. And you can start building your website on how to make money selling makeup online. There are other ways to sell makeup online. I'm just going to go over this quickly because I'm only interested in affiliate programs where you build a website and you put affiliate links to different companies such as these, and people click on them, they purchase something, and you get paid. And that's affiliate marketing. And you can look for those on Google, makeup plus affiliate programs, and they come up. You want to make sure they have adequate commissions. The higher ticket items, you get a much better commission. You want to, they offer decent testimonials and commission offerings. That the quality of the product is good quality. Don't promote inferior products. That they offer excellent customer service, and for you, a solid payment structure. Now, this is important. Do not skip over this because you cannot do this. You cannot represent programs without having a website, because you go to apply for a program and they're going to ask you how you're going to promote it. Then what's the name of your website, what your traffic numbers are, what's the main reason you want to join, and what's your plan on promoting their products. Because after all, they're putting their product in your hands and they want to know why they should do that. So if you don't have a website, you're going to be rejected. So make sure you start building a website, and I can show you that. Do your homework. Make sure the customer believes enough to trust you and buy from you. And again, you are not building the business, you are building the people, and the people are building the business. Now, I'm not going to get into drop shipping. You can read this. I just feel that there's more handling there, where affiliate marketing you don't have to handle anything, and this is more money and time to get your business going. You can Google drop shipping plus makeup programs, the same thing, and these will come up. And this is what you have to look for. I'm kind of skipping over it. It is something that you can do, but for me, I'm more interested in the affiliate marketing end of this. You can sell your own makeup products if you have talent, if you're talented enough to make your own makeup, and choose how you want to sell those. Supplier for the product, supplier plus makeup programs, and you'll find where to get them. You can sell your products on Shopify. The sky's the limit here, especially with makeup. So what you need to start selling makeup products, you need a website. And for affiliate marketing, that's a must. So you need to build your website, provide the links in your posts so your readers can read and buy from the relevant materials in the links. You can also promote makeup products on social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, everything. You can start a YouTube channel. You can join makeup groups and social communities. And here's just a few of social groups that are on Facebook for makeup. Getting down to the end here, the most important thing is to build a website. And I have an awesome 4-step process here for you, where you can learn to build your own website. It's the most comprehensive training with easy step-by-step training. Step-by-step training. You can join for free with no credit card required. And I did almost pass this up, and I'm glad that I didn't. And the thing is, you have help available from myself and the entire community 24/7. So if you're interested in making money selling makeup online, then you can get started right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching and listening. And I would ask that you would please click the like and subscribe buttons below. That will help out. And have a great day. Bye now.